Anybody in the United States has a platform to rise. In Nigeria, we don't have platform to rise. So a lot of time when people read international books, I tell them to sit down and reconcile it with their location. So for example, in Nigeria, we don't have a credit system. But in the United States, there is a credit system. And whenever they call something a system, it means that if you can take your time to study it, you can leverage on it. So what Robert Kiyosaki has done is that he has studied the credit system and he used it to create wealth. So a good credit system that he has done is that he knows that if he buys land in the next 10 years, let's say $5,000 will become $50,000, right? He now also knows that instead of him doing the work like we are to raise the $5,000, in their own, they can raise 5 to 10% down payments. So if a property is $5,000, 5% of $5,000 is $250,000. So he can put $250,000 down, then he will use mortgage to pay it. So that mortgage now is like 20 years mortgage or 30 years mortgage. Are you getting the slip now? When he pays that $250,000, you know that they will give him the house. He will now use the house to give it out for people to be renting. When people are renting, he will collect money from them. And in the United States, they pay monthly. So he will collect like $1,000 or $1,500 as rent. How much did he pay for deposit? $250,000. He has collected $1,250 every month as rent. Part of that money, he will be using it to pay his mortgage. He will now carry that document to go and collect another loan. Are you with me now? He will use it as collateral. He will buy another house. He will be collecting $1,250. Are you with me? To pay for the mortgage of that one. Part of that money again, he will use it to go again. Part of that $1,250, he will take another $250 to go and buy another house. So every house is buying, he is using down payment and loan to pay for those houses. So currently, he has over 12,000 apartments in the United States, globally. Not one house, apartments. He has how many? 12,000. So if you put all these loans together, it's 1.something billion. But if you put all the 12,000 apartments together, it's over 100 billion, over 50 billion. So in the actual sense, he should sell those houses and pay the 1.something billion. But he said no. He will choose to be paying those debts small. But in the real sense, he's a billionaire. But he has a loan of 1.something billion to pay.
Are you feeling stuck and overwhelmed by financial challenges and unsure of how to scale your business to a new heights? The Money and Business Growth Package is a comprehensive solution designed to turn your aspiration into a reality. Get access to our exclusive courses on money and business, which include Money Mindset, Skills to Make Money in This Century, Money Capsule Series, Habits to Build Wealth, Know, Like, and Trust Model Concept of Sales, and lots more. Call 0904 999 0004 or 0904 999 0005 to get started.
But in the real sense, the entire money in assets is a billionaire. But that liability of loan, he will keep paying small. So that is why Aliko Dangote is the richest man in Africa, but it's also the one that has the highest loan in Africa. So he's just conquering those places. He's a billionaire, but he's not selling those assets. So any profit that is coming, he's servicing his loan. So he has conquered refinery now. He's about to start steel. He will conquer steel too. So a steel industry is still this thing now can cost him another $2 trillion or $2 billion. The day he announced it, all the banks will gather again and give him our money as loan. Then he will build it. They will count it as loan for him. He will be paying back small. So credit system of building wealth is good, but you have to learn it. But because we don't have a good credit system in Nigeria, people use other people's money called OPM. But me, I said, it's not everybody that will understand that long theory. Are you with me? Any amount you are making, are you with me? You can remove a part every month and be buying that money instead of using other people's money. So if your level of risk is now strong, you can open it up for other people to bring the money and you'll be paying them small, then you will invest, but you are the owner. But as the money is coming in, you'll be paying them back small. So there is a good debt, there is a bad debt. Good debt is that when you collect the money, you are using it to buy an asset that can actually pay off that loan. But bad debt, you are collecting money to buy a shwebi, you are collecting money to buy a car. Those are bad debts. I hope I've been able to answer your question. Thank you.